Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding and DT channel, orthographic drawing. So orthographic drawing, I will draw a orthographic drawing and we will convert it to isometric drawing. Okay, first we will make an orientation. Let's say this is our N means north. Okay, and then I will draw orthographic drawing. Okay, so this is example of orthographic drawing. Okay, for this drawing we will make it to isometric drawing. So how? So so this circle with dotted line means this is looking up. Okay, and this line and this circle with a half circle, this is going down, going down. Okay, now let's make it to isometric drawing. Okay, so this is our northing, so this is going up. So for the isometric drawing, okay, this is this line is this dotted line is going up, and then this line, so this is our northing, we will make it like this, and then down, and then this is going to, we have north, south, east, west, so this going east, and then going down again, and this going to south. Okay, and then going to west, and then down again, and going to south. Okay, so this is orthographic drawing and transfer it to the isometric drawing. Okay, so how many? So if they have no isometric drawing, so this orthographic, how many elbow? Okay, so first make it to isometric drawing, so that you can easily to count it the elbow, how many. So do we have a 90 degrees? All this one is 90 degrees elbow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 90 degrees elbow. Okay, so a spool, we will count it to a spool, how many spools. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 spool. Okay, so this is a very easy way to read the orthographic and isometric drawing, and how many 90 degrees elbow and how many spool. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching guys, and I hope you have learned about this orthographic drawing transfer to isometric drawing. See you in my next video. Bye.